Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't send voice message on Messenger app. First, you'll need to go into your Play Store. And from here, you're going to simply search for Messenger as you want to see if the app needs updating. And if it doesn't need updating, what you'll need to do is close out of Google Play Store and go into settings, and from here you're going to scroll down and select apps. Then you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Messenger. Then you'll select Messenger, and from here you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on storage and you're going to tap on clear data. After you have selected clear data, you're also going to scroll up and select permissions, and you want to ensure that microphone access is enabled. You want to ensure that it is tapped on allow only while using the app, and you also would select camera and ensure that allow only while using the app. And after you have done that, you're going to close out and you're going to tap on force stop. Then you'll simply reopen Messenger, and that normally does the trick. If it doesn't, I would recommend that you uninstall Messenger and reinstall it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix can't send voice message on Messenger app problem on your Android device.